In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a tag house drop like the label Solid Grooves by Micheal Bibi and Pawsa. We're going to start off with the drums, so open up the underground pack and go to the core drum loops. We'll be using this kick. Slow the BPM down a little bit as well to 127. I don't like this drum loop, so yeah, this is a more minimal style drum loop. Let's go for this one. Fit into the tempo. Altogether sounding like this. Which is a dope foundation, so now we're gonna add some more drum loops to it. In the underground tag house pack we got 30 construction kits with a lot of weird drum loops you hear in underground tag house. Like for example this one. Or this one. The pack is linked down below if you want to check it out. So let's go for this one. Just drop it in. Sounding like this. Already gets a really dope bounce to it, but I want to add some more. Yeah, this will add some dope grooves to it. So let's drop it in. Yeah, that's perfect. It's a really dope bounce. So now we're gonna mix it. Route them all to a new mixer channel. And start mixing them by elements. Let's start off with a kick. Just drop it down a few dB to make room for the bass line we're gonna add later on. Then the other drums. EQ it as well. Bit too much low ends. And open up the highs a little bit. We're gonna make this one more stereo. Now we're gonna route them out to a bass channel. First, add some compression to glue them together with quite a slow attack. And then we're gonna add some more punch to it with this bittersweet plugin. So exaggerating, it sounds like this. But we're just gonna add a little bit. Just like this. So altogether, the drums sound like this. We got the drums ready, so now it's time to dive in the bass line. I added this new serum to it. Let's pick a preset from the underground tag house pack. Let's use this one. Now we're gonna dive in the melody. I think we're gonna make it in F sharp. Let's use really short notes to create a groove. And tweak the length of the notes a little bit. Also, we're going to quantize it to get it slightly off the grid. And then we're going to tweak the velocity just a little bit. And turn it into a 4-bar loop. So let's see how it sounds together with a kick. Yeah, that's really dope. So we're just going to sidechain it. Just add a kickstart to it. And mix it in properly. Just like this. I think we're gonna break out the sub a little bit more with the R bass as well. Just adding some more low frequencies to it. So altogether the bass sounds like this. We got a main bass ready, so now it's time to spice it up some more with some more leads elements. So first, duplicate the serum and pick another preset from the pack. Let's use this one. We are working in F sharp, so place it just like this. I think this will sound really dope as a pre-drop fill. Right here and right here. Yeah, that's perfect. Now it's time to add the other bass to it. Again, duplicate it. Let's use this one. It sounds really weird, but I think it's gonna add a lot of groove to it. It will fill up the blank spots in the melodies. As you can see, the melody has some blank spots over here and here. So let's try it right here. We need to listen to it in context with a kick and bass. Let's shorten the notes with the other bass. Yeah, that's perfect. The production is really minimal with just a few elements, but altogether it will sound really dope. Now we're gonna add a vocal to it. The Underground Terrace pack has a lot of dope vocals.
The drugs are flowing through my skin. Let's do some clubbing and let's get back to my place.
So let's use this one and drop it down one semitone. It's at 126 BPM, so we need to speed it up just a little bit.
Let's get back to my place.
Yeah, that's dope. Now we're gonna make a vocal effect with it as well.
My place.
Let's cut out one bar and make it unique as a sample, just so we can stretch it. So let's stretch it out.
My place. My place.
Just like this.
My place.
So it almost turns into another synth element. Let's mix it. First get rid of the low end. Add some OTT to it. I think that will work perfect. That's sick. There's a reverb and delay. Yeah, delay is really dope on it. I think some more decay. Yeah, sick. And of course some sidechain. I think we're also gonna make it really stereo. Yeah, nice. So let's see how it sounds together with the other elements. And we're also gonna add a gross beat to it to create a stutter effect. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, keep it like this on the break. So now we're gonna work on the breaks. Let's build. Just copy over the drums.
Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place.
Vocal needs some more mixing because it has a little bit too. It's a bit too muddy right now. Also, I want to add a smell to it to let it open up during the breakdown. Just like this.
Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place.
Yeah, that's really dope. We're also gonna loop it at around here, I think.
My place. My place. My place. My place. My place. My place. Let's get back to my place.
Yeah, loop it just like this.
My place. My place. Let's get back to my place.
Yeah, that's sick. So now we're gonna add some more string sounds to it to fill it up some more.
Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place. Let's get back to my place.
And some reverb and delay to it as well.
Let's get back to my place.
Just like this. So I think it's a really minimal build up, but I think it really does the job combining the vocals together with the drop. So now the only thing that's left to do is create a second part of the drop. Just drop in some more drum loops at this part. So I'm gonna search for a few on Splice. I just came up with these drum loops. And to make the transition a little bit smoother, I also added these crash sounds to it. So that's it for the solid groove style drop. I think it turned out really dope with the minimal elements, but altogether it really does the job. So I think it's a really groovy takeout track. So let me know what you think about it in the comments as well. Besides that, if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.
Let's get back to my place.